The holiday season is a very special time of year in the U.S. It's a time for celebration, community, and reflecting on the year as it comes to a close. Today we'll talk a little bit about the holidays as we bake some easy-to-make classic sugar cookies. Start by getting all your ingredients together. Having everything set out before you start will keep you organized and save time. Here's our list of ingredients, and you can also find the recipe in the link below. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then, grab a bowl and add your flour, sugar, and baking powder. Then, add 2 sticks of butter. It's important for the butter to be nice and soft, so set it out on the counter for a bit before you start. Then, begin working the butter into your dry mixture. The winter season is home to many traditional holidays, and it's not uncommon to see a wide variety of decorations, celebrations, and observances around your school and neighborhood. Experiencing this cultural diversity firsthand is one of the best parts about teaching in the U.S. Be curious, ask questions, and learn as much as you can about other cultures' traditions. Once the butter has been fully worked in, go ahead and add 2 eggs and continue mixing. Now you could use a stand mixer here, but there's nothing wrong with getting your hands dirty. It's important to be more than just an observer over the holidays. As a cultural exchange teacher, you're here in the U.S. to share your unique background and heritage with American students, their families, and your community. Find opportunities to tell others about your own traditions and help culturally enrich the people of the U.S. by sharing them. Now, back to the cookies. Add a tablespoon of vanilla extract and keep on mixing. Once your cookie dough has come together and looks like this, it's time to roll them out. If you have some parchment paper, I recommend rolling the dough out between 2 floured sheets. It keeps your counters tidy and makes the cookies easier to cut. Now, let's get rolling. Beyond cultural observances, traditions, and holidays, the end of the year is also a great milestone for teachers. You've made it through half the school year. So over the break, take some time to reflect on how things have gone and be sure to celebrate your successes and identify opportunities to improve. Remember, coming back from the holiday break is always a great chance to start fresh in the classroom. When your oven is good and hot, it's time to cut the cookies. If you're in a hurry or just like simple round cookies, you can use the top of a jar to cut. But why not get into the spirit of the season by using cutters like these stars and bells? Put your cookies on a baking sheet and place them in your preheated oven. Keep a close eye on them. When the edges begin turning golden, it's time to take them out. I'm gonna go pop these in now. They smell great. Now, these cookies are ready to eat just as they are, but if you want to get a little more seasonal, you can wait until they cool and decorate them with some icing. However you choose to celebrate it, be sure to enjoy your break during the holiday season. And remember, while you might be tempted to bake some of these cookies for your students, you should only ever bring in prepackaged snacks to your classroom. So instead, share them with your fellow teachers, or your family, or maybe just enjoy them yourself. Hey, you've earned it. Happy holidays.